guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we saw something in the comments and we're like, why don't we try it? Like, it would make them really happy. So, we're gonna be playing the Vote for Treasure. Why not? It was a good idea. We're all up for new games. Like, I played this before and I'm horrible at it, but I'm still up for playing it for you guys. And thank you guys so much. We hit 2,000 today. We're not on the same day as you probably because, first of all, we're posting this a different day than we're actually recording it. Second of all, just thank you so much. We looked earlier and we hit 2,000. You guys are so sweet. Like, thank you.
Thank you so much. Also,
Yeah,
thank you so much for like almost 45 subscribers.
I know. That sounds like, dude, you only have 45 subscribers, but still, that's a lot to us.
Like, it's a lot to us. So thank you so much for watching our videos and subscribing.
Yeah. Also, we really appreciate it.
Shout out to Joey. Shout out to Joey Mizik. I'm so sorry if I pronounced that wrong.
Yeah, but like, I was gonna say, keep like making comments, like giving us ideas. That's a good thing to do. Like, thank you so much also for that. I just hit my head with something.
Yeah, I have this material. I want this. Yeah. Like, you just like, do it where? I think you're trying to yeah, here, let's do it. I'm no, you dare. It's right there. Oh my gosh. Oh, yeah, wood. What is this? Anyway. This is beautiful, I've ever seen. What's on? Yeah. That's all the subscribers like to us. Yeah. It's treasure. Yes. Yellow and purple. And it's purple. Purple is your color. I like purple. Yeah, since purple is a color, with yellow and blue stuff on your channel. After this video, we'll be purple. My nice powers. Yeah, I like. Really, very long ago. I'm guessing we should. Because we're not with Lore, I think. Like, who has currently this area? Well, that's actually so we're guessing not. Yeah, you would, right here. Or, like, I don't know.
Wait, is it 4?
Yes. You got something. No, wait, right here. Yeah, I'll unsee my first words. Like, these words are for this is actually what he's happening. Yeah, we'll see that part. I got it. Because you have a mess right here. There's a visual word. There's a visual word. Yeah, that's right. It's right. Oh, so you have this. Yeah, I'll here. You got it. The ones you want. Okay. Is there anything else that we need before we...
No.
This is my sailors.
Wait, no, I do need to put something down.
Puts. Are you ready to launch our boat?
Yes, look at my chest. It's our channel color. Let's go.
Boom. Yes.
We can see everybody from here.
Our boat completely fell apart.
How?
I don't know. I think it wasn't connected. I don't know.
Fall apart though.
Oh.
It didn't fall apart though.
Mm.
Okay, ready? We can both sail the boat. We can both kind of sail the boat. Girl.
That's you.
I didn't want to do. Okay, we can't hit our boat. Like that.
We're backwards now.
Whee.
Clockwork. What are we doing? What's going on? Gia.
You're not sailing.
I'm not doing anything. Ah! No.
Sail.
No. Wait, we're blocking this guy. I don't go.
We actually fail.
No. We have magical powers. Well,
But
our motor's off, so now you can hear the clocks.
I told you to fail. And you didn't. We just gotta hope for the best right now. If we get it, I'm gonna be happy.
My sign is gone.
No, you're a sign.
I put a sign on the boat. It said sub to us.
Come to us, you guys.
You hit the subscribe button too hard. You made the sign sad because you didn't subscribe.
Yeah.
That's what happened. Oh. I mean, actually, we're getting kind of far. Where are we? Oh, I don't think we're actually that far.
Yeah.
Wait, Oh, this is the cutest. Oh, shoot.
This is cool.
Oh, shoot. Wait, what's happening? Did we glitch? Oh, I thought we glitched. My thing lagged. I like how it makes piano music. We have one chest left.
No, this is my custom.
It's hanging on.
No, I have one chest back here, and it's open. I opened the custom color chest. Here, I'm gonna close it. So no.
I honestly, they took my hat.
Oh wow, I didn't lose my headphones.
I have a Oh, you lost your hat too.
No, my headphones, my polar bear.
This is so beautiful. Wow, they're painting such wonderful things.
I love painting. Yeah, wow, they're just painting triangles.
One person painted like a circle.
I love painting. Oh, look at her thing.
It's purple.
Yellow, yes. I love yellow.
Help, I'm orange. I'm orange.
Hello. No, you're yellow, my favorite color.
I drank too much Fanta. What happened? I'm naked. No.
No, you have no hair. You're not naked. You have no hair, first of all.
Look,
Second of all,
it took off my pants.
I'm fine.
I just have like 2 cloths.
Okay, here we go. To the next one.
You're completely clothed. What happened to me? Oh gosh, it's a tornado.
My polar bear hat.
Yeah, this is kind of awkward.
Wait, no, it's drying up. We're drying up. No. Lila.
Come on, Gia. We gotta run. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. This is the end for us. Sadly. We actually made it almost to the end. Actually. Yeah, I guess. Okay. We're both. We'll be careful. Okay. Yeah, just the box. Okay. These will be the walls. This is gonna be a Minecraft house. Yeah. Just like I'm building Minecraft houses. It's gonna be messy. Crusty messy. It's the best way to build your Minecraft house. Come along, buy your crusty messy Minecraft house. I can do that video. It sounds like some doctor saying I can do that video. It sounds like something that, I don't know. Yeah, like, you can do that description video. Wait, let's actually, I'm staying on this.
No, wait.
Goodbye, Gia. Bye. Oh. It's just me now. We're leaving Gia. This is our new channel. It's called Lila and Loneliness.
Yeah, you have no idea.
This would be the best channel ever.
Well, I'm gonna work on the boat.
Oh. While I'm gone? Without me? No, I'm coming
Yeah.
back. I'm coming back.
What? You got another channel, so don't you want to come back now?
I'm coming back to Lila and Gia. No. I'm back. Anyways, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.